because when you mention OECD or Japanese governments, it's more government-oriented, public sector-oriented. But the main goal of discussing at this level of decision-making powers, not only for the public sectors, but also we can have an overview of a nation, a country, or region, or globally as OECD, a vision of better functioning society. Within, you have economic sectors, but also you have other sectors like science, technology, innovation, and also other health and related sectors. And the idea is not just dictating in some sense, you should do ABC. You should focus on ABC policies, but really to shape different policy to serve people and to serve economy, but also society. In the way that we need to have more collaborative way to formulate policy and to make this formulation not only civil servants or government people are discussing on them, but inviting private sectors and even civil society to be a part of the discussion and in the way to really fine-tune the future of your nation or your region together. And by the end, kind of, when I was working at the Japanese government, we in Japan are functioning for related scientific innovation policy 5-year planning. And by the past, you say we have 5-year planning, you just formulate technological roadmap, and you decide what should be the priority in terms of technology. And then something happened, and then you will have innovation later on. But it's anymore the case today. There's so many external factors interacting with your policy, and environment is changing so quickly. Take the case of digital technologies. When you compare today with just 10 years ago, huge differences. Who were able to really decide what to be in 5 to 10 years, even in 5 years, almost impossible to foresee where we will be. So in this case, the planning of 5 years is anymore decided just technological path. But we have to invest in kind of platform, as you mentioned. It could be technological platform or social institution platform or more larger social system, and on which we have to put some money from public sector to ensure that we have very good infrastructures. Infrastructure not only in terms of physical or just traditional way, but knowledge infrastructures, data infrastructures, and also social network in place to ensure that private sector people may use this platform in the best way for them and also serving the society. So it's really a really interesting period to see the evolution of formulating policy. It's really an exciting moment to look after different countries' approaches. And then we see some kind of new type of policy emerging. Additionally, I would say we have to invest in human resources. And that's, in general, is the primary responsibility of the public sector to ensure that we have really all coverage of every single citizen, as well as ensuring the quality of education and training. But additionally, we may have private sector coming in and providing more specific training or additional innovative way of doing education too. So it's really, I would say, much more in a collaborative way rather than separate two sectors.